Ngā Pūmanawa e Waru. Ngā Pūmanawa e Waru. It's a long way to tomorrow, and everything it holds, with the children as our future. We must teach them to be bold, fathers and sons, mothers and daughters. Let's journey together as one. Here in Rotorua, what a great place to learn. Ma te tika, ma te pono, me te rangimarie, ka tai atura ki te taumata. Tātou e te Arawa iwi, Tangata whenua, tu Kaha tu Maia. So let's stand together, so our people are one. Let's start today, the time is now to learn and give our children everything they deserve. Here in Rotorua, what a great place to learn. Here in Rotorua, what a great place to learn. Here in Rotorua, what a great place. Ngā Pūmanawa e Waru. Ngā Pūmanawa e Waru.